How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a all-new episode of Single Section Sunday, where on Sundays I showcase a particular single section home that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. This Sunday, I'm bringing to you the Drake Chocolate Edition. I am back again with a all-new episode of Single Section Sunday, and yes, I am back with what you've been asking for. You're saying, Mr. Tiny, you've been killing it with the two-bedroom single sections, but what about us? What about just the people that want a one-bedroom? It may be just a couple, it may be a single person. However, you just want one bedroom, but you do not want to downsize all the way to 399 square feet, so you want the next best thing. Well, here we are today with the Drake. If you're subscribed like you should be, then you know the Drake has been featured numerous times, but this time we're calling it the Chocolate Edition because I ain't talking about the chocolate on the porch. Well, I'm talking about the color throughout the house on the exterior and in the interior. With that said, this has the curb appeal that you're looking for, that we're known for here at Recreational Resort Cottages with the cottage style aesthetic. You're going to have the tower dormer in the living area, which from the exterior, you'll see those triple windows with the transoms above. You'll see the vaulted roof line. And then, of course, let's get down to the durability. You're going to have 50 years of warranty on your smart panel siding, as well as 30 years on your Galvalume metal roof and 30 years of warranty on your composite Trex decking. With that said, this particular Drake Chocolate Edition is coming in at 18 feet wide, 54 feet long, and that's including this 8-foot front porch. And because it's hot, and right now Mr. Tiny's doing a sizzle special, I've got this home discounted to the first person that comes and picks it up. It is discounted today for $108K, $108,000. You'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. And this home is coming in at 782 square feet for a one-bedroom, one-bath home. You can't beat everything you're going to see today for $108K. And as I talked about on the exterior, you're going to see it has a brown base. You're going to see that it has a garlic clove trim around your doors and windows. We'll even top it all off with a Galvalume metal roof. Speaking of Galvalume, follow me up onto the front porch. As you'll see, we have additional Galvalume metal accents on the interior porch ceiling, as well as on each side of the front porch to make it something unique whenever you walk up and enjoy it. And whenever anyone comes over to see it, they're going to say, okay, that's something a little different. We haven't seen that before. Well, you purchase it from Recreational Resort Cottages and Mr. Tiny. Duh, you haven't seen it before. So with that said, get a good look at that composite Trex decking. This is going to be in tortoise brown. Also, you're going to have the black metal tops and bottoms to the railing with rebar in between. So you do not have to worry about maintenance on this at all. We've given you one window right here up front just to bring in some natural light. We threw in a coach light beside the front door. Got the 36-inch blinds and glass front door, which is a fan favorite. Now let's follow me in to the interior where you can see with one bedroom, one bath, this is the Taj Mahal when it comes down to it, because clients are always asking for the most square footage for one bedroom and bang for your buck. And with that discount right now of $108K, I'm telling you guys, I'm doing you a favor. It won't be like this for long, but right now, this is a steal of a deal. And why it is so is because this is one of the only one bedroom, one bath models that is coming in at 18 feet wide. You'll see here, as soon as you come inside, you're going to have plenty of living area. You're going to have the vaulted ceiling going from front to back of the home. Also, you're going to have the unique wood beam finished out in a Thompson colored stain. And then we have a 3-blade nickel ceiling fan with white blades on there just to give you some accents. And look at this living room wall where we have the 3 picture windows. Again, like I told you, From the exterior, you can see on the outside it's beautiful, but from the inside, it's even more gorgeous because you have the three transoms up above, making it look so unique. And if you got a property that you really love, this gives you the chance to look out at that property and enjoy your home in this one-bedroom cottage. Also, notice here on the front wall, this is where that window was that I was telling you about on the porch. But notice we have the cutback right here on this front wall. That's not only giving you some dimension and aesthetic from the exterior. When you walk up, you have a little bump out there, makes it look unique, add some character to it. But from the inside, you get a little extra space right here around your doorway. But as you can see, you have space for a full-size couch, a chair, end table, and you still have plenty of space. I throw a rug down, if that's just me, just to make some feng shui pop off in here. And then when you have right across from this 36-inch blinds and glass front door, you'll notice we have the entertainment center. It is going to be a floating entertainment center. You see there's no legs. Look, Ma, no legs. We got on this entertainment center here, you're going to have 4 cabinets down below, 3 open cubbies up top, and then you have the Glacier quartzite countertop here on the entertainment center, and it's already prepped that you can mount your TV in place of where this mirror is currently located to give you an idea. And then we've even given you 3 transoms up above, just so that way you still have the natural light, but enough space for your TV as well. What makes the Drake so great is the fact that you can maneuver, flow, the walkability of this home, as some would call it, from the living area into the kitchen. See right here on this large island here in the kitchen, you're going to have that Glacier quartzite countertop there looking beautiful. On each side, you're going to have those unique wood Thompson legs right there just to give some additional aesthetic appeal. And then you'll see we have the base of the island finished out in that Thompson wood as well. We've even given you a ceiling fan here in your kitchen area just because we wanted to. But what's so great is you have enough space here to, of course, put some stools and things to enjoy a nice meal. But with it being 18 feet wide, you even have enough space here to put a small table and be comfortable. So that is giving you flexibility of options. Have a window here. We also have another 36-inch blinds and glass door here. That's going to be your rear door for this particular model, where I think it'd be great if you wrapped around the porch or you did some custom steps off of this. It's just me, just some options. But you can walk right into this area here and you'll see you have the built-in hutch with the 6-door pantry right there. Plenty of cabinet space for you to put all your goodies. And then you have the additional countertop space on the hutch. Get a great look at that backsplash with that gray mosaic tile backsplash there going from the countertop up to the bottom of the cabinets. Notice we've even finished out the top of the cabinets trimmed in the unique wood also. So that is so great and ties everything in together. We're giving you black bar pools. And then we've even added, just for the look of it, the unique wood shelves here at the end of your hutch. So you see we have the L-style brackets holding that up. And then we went ahead and had that stained wood there just to tie the whole look together. And guys, it's just a great space here as well. And then as we make our way around the island, you'll notice on the front of the island, we have additional storage down below. We're going to give you also the trash can department that you can put your trash can of choice, close it back whenever you don't need it. And then we have more of the galley style kitchen on this side where you have plenty of countertop space. We kept the original stainless steel sink. We did not do a farm sink in this one, but that is an option should you want to do that. But we have that there, finished out nickel, traditional nickel faucet, and then a window up above so you can look, do the dishes, gaze out onto the property. And for those of you that don't like to do the dishes, you have a full-size Whirlpool dishwasher in here. And with the appliances, you're going to have a 7-year extended coverage on them because, again, like Mr. Tiny says, I can speak to the quality of the home, but I didn't build the dishwasher. I didn't build the oven. So those right there, we're giving you additional 7 years of coverage just for peace of mind. Also, you'll see the smooth top oven there. We got the microwave up above. And then just this extension of the countertop leads us down to the dual-sided fridge where you're going to have the ice and door there. And then additional storage space to the left of the refrigerator, where you're going to have more storage there if you want to utilize that. And that isn't where it stops. Lead behind door number one. Yes, you have a full size pantry here on this model to allow you to store all of your canned goods, your soups, your cereals, everything that you need, you put in there, because Mr. Tiny wants you to be functional. Even though it's just a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, you need everything to have its place. With that said, having its place, you have the stackable wash machine and dryer here. Yes, I know it's controversial. Some of you want side by side, but just as many of you that want side by side, I have just as many saying, Mr. Tiny, I'm just fine with the stackable. So I'm giving you that option in here. You have the stackable wash machine and dryer to use at your convenience. We have the electrical panel box conveniently located here. And then we'll follow in to the primary bedroom. Again, you got 1 bedroom, 1 bath. So this is going to be a large area for a home in this one, where you have a full wall here. Put any size bed that you want to. You can do adjustable bed if you want, because you got enough space to do that in the drape. And then you're going to have 2 windows here on the opposite wall that is bringing in natural light for you. Notice the vault of the ceiling in this model is going to make it feel so more open. And then with that, I mean, I'm getting echoes off of my voice being in here just because of how open this is. And we need to put some furniture in here once you buy it, so that way you can make the echoes go away. So right across from that, you'll see we also have the dual closets that are going to have the barn doors on them, easily accessible. Slide them open for your convenience. You're going to have your hanging space, your rods, everything there that you need. Able to store everything out of sight, out of mind, and then you do not have to worry about the swing of the door going into your bedroom space. Have the 4-drawer built-in dresser right here centered, glacier quartzite countertop up above that, enough space for you to use the TV in that area if you want it to be, depending on how you arrange your bed. If it's me personally, you're asking me, I'll pretend you're asking me. I would have my bed on this wall facing this way, and I would have the TV mounted right here, which is why I'm giving you TV connections here on this wall, because you can actually fit a larger TV on this wall than you can the built-in area there. But totally up to you. You do as you wish. Speaking as you wish for a great bathroom. So follow me in here and we'll show the bathroom of the Drake, where you're going to have your sink here. You're going to have 2 rows of that mosaic backsplash running behind it. We have a mirror here trimmed in white. And then outside of that, you're going to have a sliding glass door into your shower, where, yes, Mr. Tiny is even matching the shower tile, where we have the vintage lace tile in a horizontal pattern in this particular model, and we have the rain shower head. And for those of you want to know how tall it is, run down to the comments. Somebody will tell you how tall Mr. Tiny is, because I've said it enough. If you're subscribed like you should be, you would already know. With that said, we have a transom window here on this back wall, again, just because we can, and just in case the lights go out. I know it's happened to all of us. You've been in the shower, all of a sudden, lights go out. Just me? That little window right there, do you a favor. I'm telling you, you don't need it till you need it. Let's just say that. And then as we come around, just because we had some extra space here, threw in some additional cabinets there. Those work great for your towels, your rags, your soaps and shampoo storage. You can put that down there if you make a little Costco run, Sam's Club, anyone. Okay, let's keep it running. Come on back out and look how this opens back up so wonderfully. You see, with 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 782 square feet. Yes, I know some of you are kicking yourself in the watonka because you are in an apartment, or you're in a townhome right now, or in a senior living area, and your place is around the same square footage, but it does not feel anywhere near as open an area as this one. It's because we're the professionals. We want you to live in this and have a home for a lifetime. So we've situated everything to be unique to what we feel our clients are looking for. So with that said, you have plenty of mobility in this home, with it being 18 feet wide. And again, this home is 18 wide by 54 feet long. That's including the 8-foot front porch, and it's on sale today. Yes, at the discounted price of $108K, $108,000. You'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. Everything else you get and more with the home. So with that said, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video tour. If you did, what I need you to do is hit that thumbs up, hit that like button, and let the world know that you're supporting your boy and Recreational Resort Cottages. Also, leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite feature of the Drake Chocolate Edition was today, so that way we can keep these features coming throughout the future. Also, if you're subscribed like you should be, I love you. If you're not subscribed, I still got some love for you, but I love you a little bit more if you hit that subscribe button. So please make that happen. Also, if you want to contact me directly, run on over to Instagram right now at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Drake Chocolate Edition as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Single Section Sunday.